All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Canva might just be my favorite online tool to use for my business. There's a lot of reasons why, but one that's at the very top of my list is that there's just so many different ways that you can use Canva to make money online. Not only does it have a ton of different capabilities, it's very user-friendly, easy to learn, and just plain fun to use. So in today's video, I'm peeling back the curtain and sharing 7 amazing ways you can use Canva to make money online working from home. But before we jump into it, I wanna invite you to join me on Thursday, September 19th. I'm going live 2 times that day at 2 p.m. and 8 p.m. Eastern time. You can choose either of those times that works for you to teach through my signature masterclass, Digital Product Powerhouse. In this live class, I'm teaching through the 4 steps that you'll need to take to get started with your digital products business, whether you want to do this as a side hustle just to make some extra money from home, or maybe you want to do this full time and replace your full-time income. Both are completely possible, but you need to know how to start and how to set your business up for success. So along with the deep dive training that day, I'm also going to be doing a Q&A session and giving away some really fun freebies for those who are attending live. So if you'd like to join me that day, click the link in the description box below to grab your free ticket. And if you're watching this video after that date has passed, you can click the link below to watch the recorded version. All right, let's jump into this first incredible way to use Canva to make money online. Now, these first 2 types of ways that you can make money using Canva are both under the broad category of digital products to sell online. So the first main type of digital product that you can sell online using Canva is printables. Now that also is a very broad category in and of itself. There are tons of different types of printables you can create with Canva and sell online on a marketplace like Etsy, Creative Market, or even on your own website hosted with a platform like Shopify. You could be creating everything from printable art that people can purchase, instantly download, and print out on their own, to printable organizational resources like printable labels or printable chore charts, planners, to-do lists. The sky really is the limit with this product category. So to get started with creating printables on Canva, you'll just want to choose the right project size depending on exactly what you're creating. You might want to do a little bit of research ahead of time, looking up similar products on a platform like Etsy to see what sizes other sellers are creating these products in and what's highly in demand. Then once you've created your project in the right size in Canva, you can let your creativity run wild. You can use the Elements section to pull in things like graphics, clip art, icons, photos, or you can use the Uploads tab to upload your own. If you don't see anything in the Canva Elements library that you like, you could purchase and license your own photos or elements from a separate website like Creative Market or Creative Fabrica, or even create your own and then upload them into Canva. Once they've been uploaded in your Uploads tab, you can then easily click to drag those into your project and edit from there. Canva's even got some really helpful features like charts and bar graphs that you could add, frames that you can drag photos into to make them into a certain shape, and you can piece all of these things together to create exactly the printable that you're wanting. And once your final design is completed, then you'll just want to download your file from Canva to have the final file to then upload to whatever sales platform you're offering this on. Your customer will then purchase your listing on your sales platform, receive that final file, whether it's something like a JPEG file or a PDF file, and they'll be able to download it and instantly print it out or take it to the print shop if they'd rather do that. All right, our second way to make money online using Canva, which also falls into the digital products to sell online category, is Canva templates. Now, Canva templates, again, is a huge category. You could be selling everything from social media templates to invitation templates to templates that coaches online might use as a resource or a business owner might use like a slide deck presentation. But the main difference here is that when you're selling a Canva template, you're selling just that, a template. It's not a final downloaded file like your printable was. You're going to be sharing a template link so that someone who wants to edit this and make it their own can use that link to open up their own unique copy of the template inside their own Canva account, and they can go in and change things around. They can change around the colors that you used for the text. They can change the fonts. They can change what the wording says. They could switch out photos or elements, but the point is they don't want to start from scratch. So you are providing them a starting point by creating an outline in this template for them to just be able to go in their own, edit a few things, and have it ready to go. Then at that point, they would be the one to download the final file from their Canva account as opposed to you downloading that final file and delivering it to them. So with our first product, we're delivering a final printable file. This is something that's not going to be edited by the buyer at all. It's completed by you. For this one, you're delivering a link to a template template that they are going to go in and edit themselves. Now, how are you supposed to deliver that link to them, you might be asking? That's a great question. Generally, you're going to have one deliverable file. This is the actual final file that you're uploading to whatever sales platform you're using. So if you're using Etsy or Shopify, this is the file you're going to upload to your listing. That's going to be the only thing that's actually delivered to the customer that they download. So they're going to download this file when they purchase your listing, and it's going to have your template link embedded. So you're going to also use Canva to create this separate deliverable file. You're going to highlight whatever text you want to embed that Canva template link into, click the little link sticker, paste that template link there, and it'll be embedded into that text. And when you download this as a PDF file, you'll be able to then deliver that file to them. They will be able to open that PDF file, click the link that's embedded there in the text, and follow that link to the Canva template where it's going to prompt them to open it in their own Canva account and start editing. Now, quick note here for those who might be new to using Canva, Canva does have a free plan and a pro plan. So anyone can use Canva free to do a lot of what we're talking about today. But if you're interested in up-leveling your designs a little bit and getting access to some of the more advanced features on Canva, you might consider using a Canva Pro account. Now, if you're not sure if you might want the Pro account or not, I do have a free Canva Pro 30-day trial linked in the description box below that'll give you access to the Pro plan for free for 30 days. So you can try out the different features that are on the Pro plan and see if that might be a good fit for your business, and then decide if you want to continue with Canva Free or Canva Pro. All right, let's move on to our next amazing way to use Canva to make money online. And this is by doing client work or offering client services. So as opposed to our first broad category of digital products, these were products that we create with Canva and we have ready to go as an instant download. In the area of doing client work, you're actually working back and forth with a specific client on a project that is customized specifically for them. So you're offering a type of design service in this category as opposed to a final digital product. You are going to be delivering final files to them as part of the service, but this one is a little bit more involved because you are working back and forth with your customer to customize things to their liking. This could be anything from providing custom artwork, like a custom watercolor of their pet or their house, or you could offer a completely custom branding package for business owners or online coaches. Online business owners always need branding assets, things like their business logo, their sub logo. If they're on social media, they might need a Facebook cover image. They're likely going to need marketing assets, like maybe a flyer with a QR code that leads to their website, maybe an email signature. So you can offer a whole bundle or a package of these types of branding assets that you design in Canva according to what they've requested, and then deliver those final files to them. Canva makes it really easy to level these up and make them really professional with things like adding a QR code, like I mentioned. You can actually go to the apps section in Canva and find the app that allows you to add a QR code to something like a flyer that you're designing. Again, you can click on that and go through the prompts to add whatever link you want this QR code to lead to. So when your customer prints these out physically, they can have people scan that QR code and lead back to their shop or lead back to their social media account, whatever they've requested it to link to. I love the Canva apps section. There's just so much you can do there, and it gives you so many capabilities that you wouldn't have with another design software. Okay, our next two ways to make money with Canva are under the broad category of print-on-demand products. If you've never heard of print-on-demand before, this is a process where you can offer physical products, but you're not actually the one having to store the inventory and do the physical work to produce and ship the items. The only thing you're in charge of is creating the actual digital design that's going to go on the products, and then you partner with a print-on-demand provider who stores all the inventory for you, takes the orders that you receive, prints out whatever it is, and ships it to your customer for you. So we're not talking about digital products here, we're talking about actual physical products that are going to be printed on demand. You receive the sales through your shop, they go directly to your print-on-demand provider, and you set everything up on the back end for that whole process to take place. So with these types of products, it's easy to create your designs on Canva. For instance, you might create your own repeating pattern on Canva using one of the apps like Pattern AI or Pattern Maker, and then use that repeating pattern on several different types of physical products in your print-on-demand store. You could put a pattern like that on leggings, on a mouse pad, on a phone case, a pillow, or a blanket. There's so many options when it comes to using patterns on print-on-demand products. And our second option here is if you're not wanting to necessarily go the route of creating patterns, maybe you want to create an actual design that's going to go on something like a t-shirt or a sweatshirt or a mug. You can do this in Canva as well by just piecing together the different elements, icons, illustrations, graphic assets, and text that you want to create your own unique image that could go on a print-on-demand product like this. There are a lot of different great print-on-demand companies companies out there. Two of the most well-known and used are Printful and Printify. But I'd suggest if you're gonna go this route to do a little bit of research to figure out which one has the best pricing for the specific types of products you're wanting to offer, to find which one might be the best fit for your business. You also wanna make sure that they link to whatever sales platform you're using. So let's say you're using Etsy, you wanna make sure that whatever print-on-demand provider you choose syncs and integrates with Etsy so the two can work together for the whole process to be complete. Most of the larger print-on-demand companies are going to be able to integrate and sync with most of the larger sales platforms like Etsy or Shopify. All right, moving on to our fourth broad category here for ways to make money online, and this is by using Canva for creating videos. So the first type of video we're talking about here are creating faceless marketing videos. You may have heard of this, as faceless marketing has been on the rise and trending a lot in recent times. For people that want to be able to get into digital marketing online, but maybe don't want to show their face, they don't want to be showing up in their own videos, faceless marketing is a great way to use what's called B-roll in short form videos. So if you're scrolling Instagram and let's say you see a beautiful video of the beach in the background and some text on top, that video of the beach is called B-roll. It doesn't show anyone's face, it's just a beautiful video of a landscape. Or maybe you see a reel with somebody typing on a computer and text on top. That is a B-roll reel. And so those are faceless marketing videos that you can create with Canva. One fun way to do this is to use the app inside of Canva called Image Animate. With this app, you can upload whatever photo you want, and Canva's AI then takes that still image photo and adds movement to it to create a video for however many seconds you'd like it to be. So let's say I have a photo of a mug on a desk and I want to change that into a video that I could use to create a reel for. I can use the app to add a rotating motion or a zooming in or a zooming out motion that changes it from a still image photo to a video. There's lots of fun options using this app. You can choose how many seconds you want the video to be. You can choose how slow or fast you want that movement to be, and you can choose what the movement actually is. Now, I do want to make a note here that if you're going this route, you want to make sure whatever photo you start with, you have the rights to use commercially in this way for business. So it needs to be a photo either you own or you have the commercial rights that you know you're allowed to use in this way. And the second way we can use Canva for video is to actually repurpose long form videos into short form clips. Maybe you're already on a platform like YouTube where you're creating longer form videos, but you want to be able to clip those up and use shorter pieces of it to repurpose for a platform like TikTok or Instagram. This is definitely a way to work smarter, not harder, because you're not having to recreate short form videos from scratch. You're repurposing the work that you've already done. Canva has developed some really great video AI technology recently, one of those being the highlights option. With this option, you can upload your longer form video, and Canva's AI tool automatically scans the whole video and pulls what it considers to be the most relevant parts of your video, calling them highlights. This cuts down major work for you because you're not having to spend a ton of time looking through your video and trying to manually piece things out and clip it up. Canva is suggesting certain highlights of the video that it feels like would naturally be its own little short form piece within that longer video. So you can use these short form clips to change them into reels, into TikToks, whatever platform you're on, to monetize on their own, or even a call to action to grab your freebie, which would have people joining your email list and you can sell then to your customers on your email list. Short form video is a great way to market your business, and Canva makes it super easy to pump out those shorter videos without doing a lot more work. So friends, I hope that was helpful. Remember to click the link in the description box below to join me live on Thursday, September 19th, either at 2 p.m. or 8 p.m. to learn my exact 4-step strategy that brought my digital products business to 7 figures, and to join in on the fun Q&A session and grab some of the freebies we're going to be giving away to all of the live participants. And remember to also click the link below to try out Canva Pro for free for 30 days if you're interested in using Canva Pro, to see if that might be a good fit for your business. Happy creating!